Hello everyone. Good morning to all my class 8 students. Today in this session, we are going to learn some more tags and their attributes. So as in the last session, we have learned about the important tags that were the HTML tag, head tag, title tag and body tag. So today we are going to learn about the body tag and its attributes in detail. So in this session, uh, we are going to learn about the body tag and how the attributes are used to change its behavior accordingly. So moving ahead, so moving towards the first most important tag is the body tag. So as we all know, body tag is a container tag. Why? Because it has an opening tag as well as the closing tag. Next, whatever you write in the body tag, it is seen on the web page. So unlike head tag, the whatever you write on the body tag, it can be seen on the web page, on the body of the page. And what all it consists, the body tag as a whole can contain all the text, images, list, audio files, video files, everything. The body tag contains these tags. Okay. So moving ahead, how does the body tag is written? Like we have seen in the earlier class, according to the structure of the HTML, first comes the HTML tag, having the closing tag as this is also a container tag. Then the head tag, according to the structure. Head, inside the head we have the title. We close the title, close the head, and then starts with the body. And whatever we write on the body, it is seen on the page. Okay. So attributes of a body tag. So I have explained it earlier that what does the attributes do to any tag? So attributes changes the behavior of that particular tag. It tells the web page that my tag is going to behave in such way. Okay, so body tag has these many attributes. The first is the bgcolor, which helps to change the background color of your web page. Second is the background. It helps to put an image on the background of your page. Okay. Third is the text. So whatever text is written on your web page, we can change the color of that text using this attribute. Then comes left margin and top margin. It gives you the margin to your particular web page from the left and the top. And last is the link, alink and vlink. We will be explaining it as the topic comes up. Here is the bgcolor. As I have explained, bgcolor stands for background color. It changes the background of your web page. So as you can see, if you write body, bgcolor equal to yellow, your body, the bgcolor of your web page changes to yellow. So in computer, you have codes for all the colors. These codes are hexadecimal values of colors, and this you can find in this htmlcolorcodes.com. So if you open www.htmlcolorcodes.com, you get different hexadecimal. Why it's called hexadecimal? Because we have 6 digits with a hash. That's why it's called hexadecimal codes for each and every color. Or we can also denote it as normal color name. So moving ahead, I'll just show you how it is seen practically as I'm going to do in the notepad. Okay. the start. I'll open my notepad. According to the structure, we start HTML, then comes the head, then comes the title tag. Here I'm going to write my HTML file with body attributes. That's my title. Slash title because it's a container tag. My head is closed. Then my body tag starts. In the body, I want my BG color. So BG color, please check the spelling. Should be the same. Double quotes, and I write red. Close this tag. I write anything in this. Hello, children. I hope all are safe and healthy. Full stop. And I close my body tag. And here comes the end of HTML tag. Saving it, Control S, and just saving it on my desktop as, you can give any name. I'm giving BG color for web page .html. So .html is the mandatory one, as you all know. You just have to save it. So let's see how it looks. This is my file. I right click and open with my Google Chrome. See, whatever I've written, the default color, the text is black, and the BG color got changed into red. Similarly, if I change it to yellow, Control S, save it. Again, open your Chrome, reload it. This is how you change the background of your web page using BG color. So as I was speaking, we have the hexadecimal codes. So if you want to check those codes, copy that, go to, and yes, we just open this website, that is htmlcolorcodes.com. It's something like this. So here you have, see, there are different shades. The shade has this hexadecimal code, RGB value, that is red, green, blue value. There is some percentage. So we require this hexadecimal code. So if you want some other code like something like this, so you have to select this, Control C, copy it, put it in your file as BG color, Control V, Control S, save it. Let's check how it looks in our file. I'm going to reload. See, so whatever color you want, some customized colors, like something between this is the color which you want, this is the code, just copy it, go to your file, okay, go to your notepad file, change it, Control V, save it, open in your Chrome, reload it. See, so this is how you can have your web page with background in different colors. Okay, so this was all about how to change your background color of the body. Now moving ahead, we have background as an attribute. So as I've explained, background helps you to add an image on the background of the web page. Okay, So the image will be flowing throughout your body, the background image. So how do we include an image is there are two ways. Okay, so the image can be of different file types: .jpg, .bmp, .png, or .gif. Okay, these are the types of background images. So JPG, you should all know the full form, that is Joint Photographic Expert Group. BMP, bitmap. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics, and GIF is Graphic Interchange Format. Okay, so there are two ways to add the image in the background. So I'll be showing both the ways. The first way is to put the name of the file. Okay, so this works only when your notepad file or your HTML file and the image file is in the same folder. So at that time, you can have only the image name dot extension. This way you can get your image behind. The second way is putting the whole path of the image. Let the image may be in anywhere in your computer. It can be in C drive, D drive, anywhere, and your notepad, the code file will be in some other place. It's okay. Taking out, if you remember, for the icon, we have copied the path of the image. Similarly here, if you want an image as a background, you have to right click on that image, go to the properties, take the whole path, and then you have to put it in the background. So right now, you're going to see it practically on the same page. Let's go to our notepad. Here I want, like bgcolor is there, let's put a background okay, background equal to double quotes. Okay, so in between these double quotes we have to put the path of the image which we wanted as the background of our web page. So let's go to, I have few images here. If I want some image like let's take this image, for example, I want my smiley as the image throughout my page. So I'll go to the properties, click there, security, I take the whole path of that image, Control C, and I go to my notepad. Here I'll put it here, Control V, save. Okay, after saving it, let's run and see how our page looks. So reload it. So why? I have taken only one page, one picture, but why did it come in a tiled way? Because the height and the width of the image is quite small and cannot be stretched to throughout the page. So it have multiplied itself. If you want only one image of it, what you have to do is go to that image. Yes, this is my image. I'll open with paint. Okay, in the paint I can resize it. You can see this resize. Click on resize, pixels. I'll increase the pixels, that is 1000. Vertically it automatically does, so I'm doing it 1000. Okay, and I'm going to close this. I'm going to save as. Let's save as. The same place will be fine, or in my desktop I have a demo. So I'll put it here, smiley, save as. It's saved as JPG. We'll close this. Let's see how it looks. I'm going to take the path of my new image. So in the demo file, I have in 7th standard at the smile. So how will I take this? Properties, security, I'll take the path, Control C, minimize this, I'll open my notepad. Here I put the new path of my new image, Control V. Save it. Let's check out how it looks. See, still 1000 is lesser for this page. So the second image also came up. It's okay. We can again open this as paint. I can resize it again as 1000 is not working. 2000. Okay, that may work. Okay. So let's go to pixels. 2000. Yes. Okay. Save it. The same place. Minimize, close this. I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to reload it because the path is the same. See. So now that image has come throughout my page. Okay. So this is how I put the image on my web page, putting the path to the background attribute. So that was about the second attribute, that is background. So first we had seen bgcolor, second is the background. Going ahead is the text. This attribute changes the text color of your web page. So whatever text you write on the web page, you can change the color of that text according to your requirement. So the term color can be, as we are saying, the color of the text, it can be the color name or the hexadecimal color code, which we have seen. So how do we do that? Go to your code. Here I'm going to put it here somewhere, space TEXT. Oh, sorry. It's okay. We can put it in the caps also. Text equal to, I want to put it in red. See, I'm putting the name of the color. Saved it. Go to this and see the code. The text got changed into red. If I want something as green, just write the name of the color, save it, reload the page again, the color came green. But if I want some code, so hexadecimal code, we can get it from here. So from this color. Okay, so I got this, Control C, I got the hexadecimal code. I will open my notepad. There in text, Control V, save. Let's see how it looks. And see, the color got changed. So this is how you change the text color of your particular web page. Okay. So this background image is looking quite I just change the size again, if it can happen. I open this again. So open with paint. I'm going to resize it and make it a little smaller. That is 1200. Okay. Even more. Okay. So save it. Close it. Let's reload it. This is better, and this is how the text colors is changed. So next attribute after text, as we have done body, text equal to red. or any other color, it will get shown on your web page. Next comes left margin and top margin. So these both attributes takes the term pixels, that is the numbers. Okay, and how do we write it? As you can see here, body, the left margin is one word which you can which you have to write as attribute equal to how many pixels you want some space from the left side, and top margin you have to specify the like the pixels how much you want to be empty from the top. So let's see in the notepad. So right now I'm going to put it here, left margin, as we all know, no space to be put, equal to double quotes में we want 500 from the left, and top margin equal to, we can have 1000 pixels. So let's see how it looks. We have to just save it, Control S. Okay, go to your file or the Chrome. Okay, so where did our text go? In the left. Okay, we did some change. Let's see. We want this. We are putting the text as red. Save. Let's take. See. Right. This is here. So from the left, you got 500 pixels away, and from here top you got 1000 pixels down. So that's why the text was sent somewhere here. Okay, so this is how the top margin and the left margin works. Let's move out this. Okay, this was about this. Moving ahead, we have alink, vlink, and link. So link, there was one tag called link which helped us to put the icon on our head, right? This link, it's an attribute to body tag, and why it is used, we are going to explain in a bit while, and this will be explained more as we go ahead. So link specifically tells when it's a text, when we click on it, it takes us to a different page. Okay, link with the name, the word suggests us that. So a link, the full form is active link. B link means visited link. The link means it's a normal unvisited link. So in your web page, if we are putting any link which takes us to a different page, so that to make such link, we use a tag that is called anchor tag, which we are going to learn in detail as we go ahead, and I am going to teach you this a link, v link, and link at that time. So simply now you just need to know is a link is the a is the anchor tag which helps us to make the links. Okay, so the detail of a v link will be taught to you as we move ahead to our other tags as we learn the anchor tag in detail. Okay, so this was all about the attributes of body tag, and I hope you all will be able to make your own web page having all these attributes of the body tag, and you will be able to make a very attractive web page of your own. Thank you, and I hope that we meet soon. Take care, and I will expect all your files to be uploaded on in the files folder, wherein I have made a class material folder in which you have a student folder. So you have to upload your files in the student folder accordingly. So thank you and have a nice day.